Shobit.
I'm Avik.
I am Daniel.
And today we will show you how to make a paper crane. The first step that you need to do is make the piece of paper a square piece of paper. Then fold it in half in all the directions. After that, open it up and fold it so it looks like a triangle. Fold one of the corners inside the triangle like this. Fold the other side on top of the side that you just folded it on top of. Then you have to find the side that there is less paper and that is less stiff and fold that to the middle line like this. Now what you have to do is you have to flip it, you have to do that to the other side, so you need to flip it over and do the same thing that you did before. Fold it to the middle line like so. Then you have to open that up and fold it like shown. And make it a bird base like this on both sides. Then you go to the side and open it up. Then you have to go to the side and open it up and fold it like this to make the tail and the head. Then take the tail out a little bit and take the head out a little bit. And fold the wings over. You can draw some accessories like eyes too. Fold the wings over like shown. And your paper crane is done. Should be done. To make it flat, pull the tail, and your wings should be flapping like this. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to make a paper crane.